Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record the screen on your ASUS Chromebook. And to do this you will need to click the combination of Ctrl Shift and Windows Start key at the same time. So here's a Ctrl, here's a Shift, and the Windows key is right here. So hold these three keys at the same time. You will enter the capture mode. Now go to the bottom toolbar right here and click on the video mode. Now click anywhere on the screen, or actually click on record, and it should begin recording the entire screen. You can also customize this option to record a specific application or specific portion of the screen. Now to stop the recording and save it to your gallery, click on the pause button right here, and these notifications should show up and you can click on it to play the video. It should also be saved in a videos folder on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.